So we're outside, dogs barking in the background, but we have something very exciting that we've been waiting a long time to share with you. We're over here at the shop doing what we would kind of call a spring reset. We always do 3 or 4 of these through the year. There's a lot of construction going on and things outside, so bear with us today, but we got some fun stuff to show you.
We're going to show you what's new, where we put it in the shop, and where some of our thrift haul stuff winds up. This will also be a premiere, so if you're watching the replay or you're live, check out the live chat for all the links to everything you see. Just in time for Mother's Day, we've got in some new grain sack aprons. These are $49.95.
This is my favorite. I made waffles with this on. I had my suit on, and then we had to go do more church stuff after lunch, so I left my suit on, and it saved me from waffle batter several times.
They're awesome. They are authentic, so they're going to have imperfections. Tanea actually photographed each and every single one of them, so if you check out the website, you're going to see the exact one that you're buying. And these have free shipping, which is awesome. So if you have a mom or you're getting ready for Father's Day or you just want an apron, these are awesome. So you can see that they've got imperfections, but also the original labels on here. I love them because they have a crisscross back. I don't really love things around my neck, and then they're really well made with grommets. So these are definitely unisex aprons for sure. In our last video, you can see me wearing one. I like to paint them as well. What were you gonna say?
No, they're good. They're heavy duty. Get your barbecue on.
They sell fast, so don't miss out. All right, so I'm going to move this grain sack fabric out of the way, and we are going to get these cute aprons put up. We have this really cute French mannequin I like to display them on. Let's see if I can put these tassels here. Which one should we put on her, then?
Jamie likes the stripes more. I like the logo more. It's paper, rock, scissors for it.
I was just going to say paper, rock, scissors.
Only first one's the winner.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Why did I do this?
Cincinnati seamless. I think it's gonna look great.
All right, when I put them on display though, I like to put the eye in the back. What did we name this?
I have no idea.
I'm gonna move over a few aprons over here that we carry, and then I will hang a few grain sack ones.
What are those 3 jars you've got up there?
Those are just flower jars. I probably should put some flowers in them.
I feel like I need to put some fun potions and things in those and hang them from my belt.
They could be potion bottles. I mean, no judging. No, I decided to put them with the tags out.
All right, here you go.
Because I don't want them to have to unroll them to know which one they need.
So if you want to make your own apron or, upholster a chair, do some pillows or something fun like that, we've got lots of grain sacks in stock right now.
This one, guys, says Sheboygan, Wisconsin. It's the only other one I've ever found that matches the one that I have on my bed. It's grain sack number 1. I'm gonna get these all put over by the grain sack apron, so we kind of have a grain sack section, and we'll drop the link below for you guys. All right, I kind of like to put the grain sacks together with the apron, so if somebody comes in looking for an apron, they can also find existing grain sacks, and my hope is that they can flip through them instead of unfolding them until they find one they like. Doesn't always happen. Oh, that one's cool. It says Weston Sudbury. I like it.
Jamie's over here working hard to get product shot.
Yeah, I wanted to have some different shots, but I think that this is gonna be what I have for now. Yeah, I think I can work with that. It's always hard to know when to be a perfectionist and when to be like, okay, that'll do for now. I want to get some better shots later, but it is what it is.
The new JRV Beauty line of products is coming out, so we're gonna put this on sale and clear space.
I'm trying to find a space for everything on the shelf. Our new line includes a face wash toner, a glow serum, a blemish stick because my skin still thinks I'm a teenager, and then I've got a lotion. We've got our bath salts in jars and bags, so that way you can buy the jar and refill it if you want to, or just buy a bag. It's a little less expensive in the bag. And then I have to make room for our lotion bars. I'm not sure how to display those. And then our lip balms. So I'm gonna get it all on here.
It's like ticker tape. It's all piled up down on the floor down there.
We've had these cute ones for a while, but I was actually able to find, it's funny because I buy them from multiple different vendors and some people are sold out at different times, but I have the mint, the gray, and the white are new, so I just got to price those.
The gray green is really more like an olive.
True that.
Just gonna lightly put it on there.
We've reorganized our wood area to include some of the new JRV products. We wanted to feature them all together so people could see the fun new things that we're doing with the animal cutting boards next to some of the windows that we've carried for a long time that are still really popular, especially the Charleston. And then we added a really cute basket with the rolling pins in with the dough bowls and the cheese molds below. With Mother's Day coming up, we just wanted to kind of refresh this space because we have a ton of people coming in the shop, shopping for Bath & Beauty and the new JRV products because they're a great gift to give to your moms. A couple of the new pieces that we've painted haven't sold yet, so we placed them in the shop and reorganized the inventory on top. It just so happened we sold the sofa table that was there, so we had some room to add new pieces. We've really focused on the towel section, organizing it and making it look well put together, separating by color, and I'm loving how it's coming along. It's been a little bit getting it organized, but I'm happy with the overall look. Here's the shop view from the entrance showing you our new products.
Let me know about all the stuff over here.
So we're just refreshing this area. We've sold a ton of product from over here. We've added our green seltzer bottles. These are some of my favorites. They're $49.95 for these. And then we've got our very last street vendor soda bottle. So if you've been holding out with a nice thick base, these are $8.95. I've ordered some more, so hopefully we can get them from my picker, but you just never know what's going to be in stock. And then we have added, these are brand new. So we've got these candlesticks here. They're sold in a mix match set for $11.95. You get one of each. We made sure to label 1 of 2 and 2 of 2 so they go out correctly. Then if you come up over here, we've added a little bit of greenery and some pretty flowers to show off our French, I don't even know what these called. What are they? Round French buckets. And then we have our lavender back in stock. This is also another really popular Mother's Day present. We've sold down some of our florals, so we filled in some lavender in the back. This is one of my favorite pieces that we did with salt wash. Oops, it looks like there's a drawer sticking out. Gotta shove that back in. We like to layer in new with the old to create an interesting look. We're having fun putting all the new round top finds into the shop. We've added a cute new pillow. This one has birds on it. And then we've also got the new lamb pillow to replace the old one. It's a little bit wider and longer, and I actually like it better. That one, I believe, is like $49.95, and the bird pillow is $40.95. I like to stack them all in so that way you can see all the cuteness in one area. We also got the tassel pillow back in stock. Online, we sell it just the case. The clothing has been a huge hit for us. We've been selling so much clothing. I'm so glad that we made the effort to make this a better looking space that's much easier to shop. Remember, all of our clothing is free shipping at jrvhome.com. If you're watching the replay, make sure you're watching the live chat because Mariah is dropping links for items as we're seeing them. You can also shop at jrvhome.com.
This is our product room. This is where we bring a lot of the items that we thrift and pick back to life. And it's probably my favorite room in the shop just because so many things can be created with the items in this room. If you're local, stop by our Lehi shop at 1245 West Main Street, or you can shop online at jamirayvintage.com.
And back in stock, we have the cow print, cows in pasture. So this is actually a reproduction of an antique print. And if you get really close, you can see that it's got amazing crackle and distress in it. Oops, crackle and distress. And I love it. One of Zeb's many talents is hanging at things up high.
I might just leave them sitting right there because those nails aren't gonna work.
Oh yeah, because they're handmade, so sometimes they're little different sizes. just in time for Mother's Day, we got these really cute new peach summer picnic bags. They're $19.95 and they're free shipping. Would that corbel be any?
The corbel's heavier.
Yeah. I just feel like I needed to fill in the space a little more. The pigs in the corbel have been in the shop for a while, but I had to replace the old pictures with our new cow picture. We've had it before, but it went out of stock. Remember this from the other day? Zeb's just gonna get it screwed up over our door. It needs to go to the left just a scoochie bit. Or does it look centered, Gentry?
No, it's totally centered.
Oh.
If anything, you need to go to the right.
Eventually we'll cut the sides off and the back off, but for now this is...
So we're outside, dogs barking in the background, but we have something very exciting that we've been waiting a long time to share with you.
We just went under contract on the oldest church in Utah County. The story is amazing how we got here. The family that owns it is awesome. It's gonna be a long journey, but we couldn't wait to show you our next big project.
So we have the little shop on Main Street right now, and you guys have known we're trying to find somewhere new because we've expanded past what that building can hold. And we were going to try to buy that, and that fell through. We didn't make it, but you know what? It's in God's hands, right? Because now we have this new huge building that's historic and has a lot of history with the town.
Bigger and better. It wasn't even on the market, but we felt like we should ask. We did, and things just happened.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
all of the new JRB beauty products are organic, all natural, steam distilled, amazing ingredients, locally sourced honey, and products that we are super proud of. Zeb designed all the labeling, and we used eco-friendly amber jars and packaging. So that way it was not just beautiful for your face, but beautiful to display on your bathroom counter as well.
Trust you.